Ever wondered what phrases older men say to captivate a woman's interest? If you're tired of feeling like you're missing out while younger guys seem to get all the attention, this is your chance to flip the script. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to leverage your experience and say the right things to keep her intrigued. Stick around until the end, and you'll walk away with the confidence to use these 7 powerful phrases that guarantee she's intrigued and wanting more. Let's dive in with number 7. I can't stop thinking about how you would look in my bed. This phrase balances playful flirtation with a clear, direct intention. For the woman who hears it, this feels flattering and intriguing. Yes, it's forward, but the delivery makes it feel more like a compliment infused with desire rather than something crass. What you're subtly saying is that she's special, more than just a passing interest. Younger women often appreciate being wanted by someone who knows what he wants emotionally and physically and isn't afraid to express it. While younger men might fumble with flirting or hesitate to be direct, an older man's confidence shines through, presenting a more polished, appealing form of seduction. It's not just about the bed, but about the thought behind it, making her feel that she's been on your mind. Number 6, you are so hot I can't handle it. Here, a bit of vulnerability is your asset. You're not overplaying it, you're just confessing something a little too real to keep to yourself. This phrase combines admiration with a touch of vulnerability. For a younger woman, the reaction is often flattery because it's a direct compliment to her beauty. Yet, it's the phrase "I can't handle it" that adds a layer of sincerity, showing she has a strong effect on you. While younger men often try to play it cool, holding back admiration, this phrase reveals your comfort with your feelings. This makes her feel genuinely desired, not merely objectified. Now, number 5, you're too beautiful to be single. This one's a classic. It's bold without going overboard, and it works best when it sounds like a genuine observation rather than a pickup line. It's as if you're surprised she isn't already taken, which gives it a casual, sincere edge. The underlying effect is that she may start wondering, "Why am I single?" as she considers her own worth. This phrase plays to her sense of value, positioning you as someone who truly sees her, which can be both flattering and compelling. Number 4, I've got a head full of gray hair and a heart full of youthful curiosity. Let's meet somewhere in the middle. This is where your charm shines through. You're embracing your age while showing you're still full of life and curiosity. The gray hair symbolizes experience, while the curiosity suggests a spark for adventure. Younger women might worry that an older man won't offer excitement, but here you're proving them wrong. You're presenting yourself as someone interesting who brings experience without sacrificing that youthful energy. Number 3, I might need glasses to read the fine print, but I can see clear as day that you're someone special. A little humor can be powerful. This phrase brings a playful touch to the conversation, showing you're comfortable with your age while letting her know you're paying attention. It's lighthearted but has a sincere undertone, and younger women tend to appreciate this blend of humor and honesty. The humor of needing glasses adds an approachable, self-aware layer, while the compliment about her being special conveys genuine attention. Number 2, you bring the youthful spirit, I bring the wisdom. Together, we might just figure out this crazy thing called life. Here, you're hinting at a partnership where her energy meets your experience. It's not about the age difference, but rather what each of you brings to the relationship. You're suggesting a journey together, a balance between two people who can learn from one another. For a younger woman, this can be refreshing, especially if she's dated men her age who lack stability. You're offering a dynamic, well-rounded relationship with both excitement and depth. Finally, number 1, I want to make you moan for hours. This line is all about intensity and assurance. Delivered with the right mix of calm and swagger, it communicates that you know what you're capable of. This bold phrase combines the allure of experience with the promise of pleasure. For a younger woman, hearing this from a man who knows how to take his time can be incredibly enticing. It implies control and patience, qualities that older men are often associated with in intimacy. The phrase suggests not only confidence, but also a deeper, intentional approach to pleasure. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming.